I just scrapped the 3,000 bench on purpose because shipping this bench could cost a life. Look at this config. Factory meal certificate claims 355 megapart. Looks safe, but our lab verification reveals 320 megapart. This is a risk. This bench is combined on paper, but on our dual verification protocol, it's the fear. We don't verify the paper, we verify the steel. Why? Because on a job site, I don't just read the numbers. I picture the weight, I picture the people underneath. Rule number one, if I wouldn't stand on it myself, I won't let it ship to you. This decision cost us delays, but it saved our client's reputation. Don't guess with safety. Comment test report, and I'll show you how we test the material. I'm Peter. I don't sell steel, I sell certainty.